Welcome back friends in our channel Learn Easy Swayam. Our today's topic is based on English grammar and obviously important for each standard as it is based on the main part of speech, noun. First of all, before starting our video, kindly subscribe my channel to get the further updates. Students, as we have seen earlier in our previous video, which is based on parts of speech, that noun is a naming word which refers to a person, a place, thing, object, or an idea. If you observe the picture, a particular place is seen in the picture. One person is observing the beauty of the nature. Idea, which are generally the scene is of nature, calm. This is the idea, and even we use certain naming words to indicate idea. Things or objects we can mention by noun. For example, in the picture we generally observe rock and mountains. So, noun is known as main part of speech. It works as a subject, doer of the sentence, and sometimes it works as an object too. In most of the sentences, noun is used as subject at the same time object. See, first part or the first type of the noun is a common noun. A common noun is a noun which refers to people or things in general. Examples I have given, just observe non-specific naming words. Girl, which girl we are not aware, or the specific girl is not mentioned. So non-specific people, in the example box, if we observe girl, boy, woman, these all are non-specific people. In our next example, places like village, road, city. But see, we are talking in general, there is no specification of which road or the name of the road is not given. So, village, road, city, these all are the common noun. At the same time, things or an idea. Things like candle, magazine, pen, these all also known as common noun, whereas ideas like love, honesty, religion are also common noun. Our next type of noun is a proper noun. As per the name, it is a name that identifies a particular person, places, or thing. Proper noun always indicates specific people, places, or thing. For example, Mohan, India, Pune, Tuesday. See, Mohan is the name of the boy. We are talking about a particular person, a particular boy. That's why Mohan is a proper noun, whereas India is a specific country we have mentioned. Pune is the name of the specific city, whereas Tuesday is the day or the specific day we have mentioned. So, in written English, proper nouns generally begin with capital letters. See, Mr. Kale, Yogita, these are the example of proper noun, and every noun is started with capital letter. Second example, Maharashtra, Pune, JM Road, these are the examples of proper noun. See our third type of noun, an abstract noun. If we observe the definition, an abstract noun is a noun which refers to idea, qualities, condition, things that cannot be seen or touched or things which have no physical reality means abstract noun generally deals with our mood, emotions, expressions. Abstract noun is something that you cannot perceive with your five senses. So we cannot touch it, we cannot see it, but we feel it. For example, friendship, belief, love, pride, sorrow, happiness, faith, time. These all are the abstract concepts, and hence the abstract noun is the name we used for these type of feeling, expressions, emotions. Our next type is a concrete noun. As per the name, a concrete noun is a noun which refers to people or to things that exist physically, can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. For example, concrete nouns are something that you can perceive with your five senses. Examples of concrete nouns are cat, dog. We can see these animals. At the same time, we can touch them. Building, bungalow, we can see it, touched it, smelled it. See? Next is coffee, tea, we can taste it. So, here we are using our five basic senses. And the last example of concrete noun is tree, rain, beach. So, after concrete noun, our next example is collective noun. It refers to groups of people or things. See here, observe the word groups of people or things. So, collective noun refers to a group of things as one whole. We are talking about a specific group, not an individual from that group. See here, our Indian team is seen in the picture. Virat Kohli is there. See, if you observe, we are not talking about a specific person, but we are talking about Team India. So, examples are audience, family. In family, we have many members, mother, father, sister, brother, and even we give them proper nouns. But if we consider this is the family of Mr. Kale, we see. So, family is collective noun, whereas government, crowd, team, jury, bunch. Here I have shown the example of team, Team India. Last example is audience, flock, and group of people. And for these collective nouns are used for specific group. And there are several collective nouns and interesting names are given to the specific collective noun. If I recall properly, see, school of students, school of girls, girls school, boys school. This is example of collective noun. But school of fishes, this example is also interesting. Compound noun is made up of two or more smaller words. Our next example is of compound noun. See, text is a complete different word, whereas if we include our next new word book in it, we'll get the new noun textbook, and that textbook is an example of compound noun. See more examples: sketchpen, football, snowball, ice cream, seafood, sunflower, marigold. These all are the examples of compound noun. If you observe the picture, there are a group or a team of girls. But how many girls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 girls. We can count them. But there is a type of a noun which is known as a singular noun. Singular noun refer to one person, place, thing, or idea. one person, place, thing or idea. So there are examples of singular noun. Cat, dogs means plural insertion is not there in the word. Ship, train, lion, tiger. These all examples are of singular noun, and obviously our next type of noun is plural noun. Refer to more than one person, place, thing or idea. Dogs, cats, ships, trains, lions, tigers, actors, players, these all are examples of plural noun. And students, if you observe our previous picture, see, here we have seen a group of girls and we are counting the girls. There are 7 girls in the picture, so they are countable, or we can count the number of a girl. So, after singular and plural noun, there is one type of noun and it is known as countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable nouns means a thing which can be counted. Examples: glass, glasses, pen, pens, banana, bananas, bus, buses, room, rooms. We can count it, and that's why these all are examples of countable nouns. At the same time, singular and plural noun. Countable noun can be singular or plural, because if we see, glass is singular countable noun, whereas glasses is plural countable noun. Whereas in uncountable nouns, if you observe picture, water, milk, music, food, rice, grain, we never count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, but we count it in a liter, kilo. That's why these are known as uncountable nouns. Thanks a lot, students. Here we have completed with the types of noun, and our next video is based on the types of pronoun. Kindly subscribe my channel, give your comments, like and share the video. Thanks a lot.